A flower is a flower, it is just a flower, it's just another flower. It's not a moonlit night, it is not a skin-deep metaphor. Stop trying to search for meaning when you know that there is nothing there. There is no grand scheme, just let it be a flower.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM. At right now guys, kita nyo naman nasa sasakyan na naman kami. Day off ko kaya kakain kami sa labas guys. May buffet dito daw. So ito try namin. So yun. So magbo-buffet kami and then after noon ay manunood kami ng sine. Danish yung sine na papanoorin namin pero that's fine. Marty naman yung babayan. Anyway, nasa anong lugar ba ito? What is this place? Oh, Sweden? Because the other way. Okay, I will show you guys. Ganda ng place. Char! Hindi ko na-view ng maayos pero ang ganda guys. It's like, I think you can ride a boat here and then you can go to Sweden. There. Kita nyo ba? Nasa ano pala kami, Helsingborg. There. So, makakabili ng ticket dyan and then, across is Sweden na. Yeah, but we're here for eating, not traveling.
But there's no space.
Oh, that's a problem. There's no space to park. Ay, nako. Ang ginaw na dito. Ay. Mga tao nagja-jacket na naman because it's very, very cold. Tingnan nyo. Yung mga trees. Brown color. Shucks! Yeah, look. There's no parking space. But anyway, while he's trying to find a parking space, I hope you can see what I'm seeing on that side there. Super nice. May nakano lang ng mga sasakyan pero you will see it's the water. Oh, may malaking barko pa dyan, oh. May malaking barko dyan. Anyway, we're gonna be late. Ito yung problema dito sa lugar nito kasi ito yung problema sa lugar na to guys kasi walang pa-parkingan. So we have to go and we have to find the parking space. How about here, no? Nakahanap na kami ng parking guys. My God, ang ginaw. Ang ginaw. Oh, nadiha ka ng liter. You need anything I need to put in my bag?
Not right now.
Okay. Shit, it's cold. Guys, ewan ko kung kita nyo ba ako kasi walang light pero natapos na din kaming kumain guys. Ang daming tao guys, grabe. Tapos yung space very very small kaya ano siya basta very small, it's uncomfortable pero nabusog kami. How much is it though? The the buffet there?
169.
169. Pero included na yung dessert, may pa-ice cream sila, ganyan. Tapos, yung drinks ko, water lang. I don't know how much is the water, pero water lang ininom ko. And then, si Marty nag-coke. Yun. So now, we're done. We are... Sana ba tayo ngayon? Pupunta tayo sa... Mag-watch tayo ng movie. Ganyan. Maginaw na guys. Grabe. Tingnan nyo, oh. Naka-jacket na tayo. Pero it's fine. It's ano na pala, ano oras na ba? Pa 6 na ng gabi. Yun. Pa 6 na ng gabi, tapos yeah, movie, and then after movie, go home. Afternoon. My God, dilim. But anyway, that's our day. Ngayon, my God, ang dilim. But anyway, yun nga. Tapos, work na naman tayo bukas. Pero okay siya kasi yung work ko bukas guys, hindi ganun kaaga. As in 10 in the morning lang. Tapos off na ng 4 in the afternoon. So 6 hours lang yung work ko bukas. So ang saya. Ganon. Do we have to go early? Good. Ganon.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the next day from yesterday's vlog. Did you understand, Martin? This is the next day of the yesterday's vlog. Ano kasi, ano ba? Nakalimutan ko i-close yung vlog yesterday guys kasi sobrang napagod talaga. Ang ginaw naman kasi dito. Oy, after namin mag-watch ng movie, I was supposed to vlog more para lang para a little bit longer yung video natin ba. Kaya lang, hindi na talaga pag-uwi namin sa bahay. Sobrang pagod ko. Natulog ako. Oy. So anyway, today is anong araw? Today, November 4. Monday. So, start ko na naman. Work na naman tayo. And then, yeah, it's 4 p.m. ng hapon. Kaya, sobrang okay yung shift ko today, guys. It started 10 in the morning and then off ng 4. So, it means like 6 hours lang. Yun. So, medyo may energy pa tayo. So, now, Martin's here. Pick me up. Kasi, basta he-pick me up. And then, yeah, so pabahay ako. Siya naman ay after niya akong ihatid sa bahay, may meeting siya. So maganda din yun kasi ako lang mag-isa sa bahay. May time tayong guys ba, magmuni-muni ba, magawa natin yung mga dapat natin gawin. But anyway, yeah, yun yung naging araw ko today. Sobrang busy sa shop. Grabe, hindi ko talaga alam bakit ang mga tao talaga, normally pag Monday hindi yun busy sa shop, pero today it was really busy. So pero maganda din siya kasi parang ang bilis ng oras kasi ang daming ginagawa. I-check ko as if naman you care kung ano yung schedule ko bukas. But anyway, schedule ko bukas 8 until 4, 8 to 16. So maganda din kasi maaga pa rin yung off. Anyway, 4 p.m. pa lang dito. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view, guys. Medyo madilim na. Parang uulan pa ata. So, yan. Is it fall now or winter? Fall, no? Ha?
Yes, fall.
Fall. Yes.
Autumn.
Autumn. So, yan, guys. Medyo stress si Martin kasi baka matraffic kami ba yung schedule niya sa meeting niya. Anyway, I'm happy kasi I'm done with my work for today. Pero of course, pag nasa bahay na tayo, another work na naman yun. Ganon.